Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna be working on this car here today. As you can see, there's a slight problem. This is just what happens when your parents go on holidays and they leave you with the car. Come back with this. Oh, one more. This one too.
That's not mine.
I feel bad for your parents. I genuinely do. But today, you want to tell them what we're gonna do today, Dajan?
Alright, so today, we bought a new bumper.
Oh yeah, I'll show you the bumper.
We bought a new bumper.
Show them the bumper, right here. This
Car Parts to you.
What? Car Parts to you. Sponsored by Car Parts to you.
Not sponsored. Please sponsor.
Definitely sponsored.
Yeah.
Full brand new bumper right here. Oh, it's upside down, isn't it? Oh, yeah. Rotate. Oh my god!
Dude, I already scratched.
We need to go get another bumper. Yeah, that's the new bumper, as you can see. Oh, actually you can't see, because Darshan's straight black.
There you go. Oh, here, do it here. There you go.
There you go. It's a nice brand new bumper, and we're going to be painting it today with all these supplies, as you can see here. It's pretty cool.
Shout out to Super Cheap Auto,
Yep.
Penrith.
Yep, that was another sponsor, Super Cheap Auto Penrith. And we're going to start to paint this first, because it's already gone, and just to, test it and see how it goes. But let's see.
I didn't do that.
Yeah, no, definitely. You definitely didn't do that. You need to take this and this and this and this off.
Okay, let's do this then.
Just gotta pry it up. Oh, let me come around.
Done.
Oh, you did already.
Let me.
Yep, that's it.
Ready.
I'm surprised they're actually in such good condition. I feel like it's new because they look pretty new.
Bring it out properly.
And then this should just. Oh my god! Are you trying to break it more? Oh.
What do we do now? Oh, it looks like it's under. You have to take the bumper as well. I'm assuming.
I don't know.
I think you do.
I hold this.
I don't know what's happening. Yeah, I think it's safe for the bumper because the bumper keeps moving. Why on earth do we have to take off the whole bumper just to get this out? Probably just to keep it in place, I don't know. Just let it go.
You're weird.
No. Kind of.
No idea what's happening. That's alright.
Do you know what I should do? I'm just gonna look it up. Okay, so this is what you do when you don't know what you're doing. Thank you very much. Also, if you don't already know what's up, Microsoft Edge is what you use. Whoever uses Google Chrome is stupid.
Do you want to lose subscribers?
What the heck? I don't know why people talk shit about Microsoft Edge. It's literally amazing. There's literally nothing wrong with it. It works so well. Yeah?
Hi, I'm Mike from Morning Auto.
Alright, let's get started.
Alright, here we go. Phase 1.
Phase 1?
Phase 1.
Okay, we're gonna start painting the grille first, just to make sure that we're doing a good job and it actually matches the car. And I don't know, it's easier to do this first than do the whole bumper. So yeah, we're gonna tape off the logo. For those that are following this to learn, it's learning, but you're learning from what I'm learning. I don't actually know what I'm doing at all. I'm just thinking that I should use some 320 sandpaper and wet sand this whole thing and make it smooth, but that might not be the actual way you're supposed to do it. But yeah.
All I know is I just want you closer. Yeah, but it's all in my head. Yeah, I made a mess again. Yeah, I'm just the last one going out the door without you. I take cold showers to remember I'm not with you. I leave with someone else to act like I don't miss you. I can't pretend I won't give it
Alright, has you done all the sanding? Make sure it's all rough, not that glossy. Wipe it down, wash it down with water. That's what we did. And now we're gonna dry off all the water with some air. Get a rag, and you get some wax and grease remover, and you wipe down the whole thing.
Yum yum.
Put some on your cloth right here, like so. And you wipe down this whole thing.
I don't mind being alone. I'm a giant inside of these walls. No, I've never met one with the fall. So I'm not fucking with any at all. Cause on the outside I'm smiling like I've never been stung, but on the inside I'm screaming at the top.
Okay, you starting again?
Go.
Alright, cool. So our first coat is going to be primer. And for the primer, it's 2 parts primer and 1 part the paint thinner. So like for now, what I'm going to do is 200 ml of primer and 100 ml of thinner. So yeah, this is the primer. Got this from Spoop. Is this the primer?
No, it isn't.
Oh no, it's the primer. It's a little darker than I remember.
I thought that was your paint.
No, I did too. Anyways, yeah, so this is the primer.
Oh, it smells very
You're gonna pour that in. Oh wait, let me read this 200. Alright, that's 200. And then on top, we're gonna add 100 ml of this paint thinner. Oh my god, it's got on my finger. You grab your trusty fork and you mix it. Make sure it's all mixed well. Take your spray gun, which I'm gonna put right here. Just gonna hold it. Oh, and then you need this, your filter. And then you can pour your paint in. Hopefully I don't spill this. Put that there. Close this up. Okay, so after we did that, had a look, and when we were painting, all the paint started to crack, like that, and that is because the paintwork that we, the sanding that we did, didn't do a good enough job, because, see here, how the, wait, it's focusing, oh my god. Alright, see how all these cracks have primer inside them? It's because we didn't go deep enough when we were sanding. So all of this is where the clear coat was actually coming off. All of these cracks. So we need to let this dry and then sand the whole thing again, then primer it and then paint it. So now we're just gonna move on to the bumper, aren't we?
Yep.
So we can get stuff done. What we're gonna do is wipe the whole thing down with this acetone, and that'll get rid of any imperfections or like stuff that's on there, oils. Like when we touch it with our hands, can you see that? Can you show that on the camera? Can you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, like we leave like the oils from our skin and stuff on there, so we gotta wipe everything, all of that off. Because when the paint hits it, it will react badly. So yeah, as you can see the fingerprints right there gone.
Oh yeah, it did. So if you see
all those. Woo. See you later, buddy. So whatever that is, it's gone now. So now we're gonna mix all our paint. And the ratio for the paint will be, oh I forgot already.
Do
one part paint and 1.5 parts thinner. So say for example if I put in 200 milliliters of paint I'll do 4.5 milliliters.
2.5.
2.5?
Yeah. Oh wait, no, you put 300.
300.
Cause yeah, you put 300.
Okay.
That's a lot.
I feel like there's something wrong with that primer.
Looks like paint.
It's fucking glossy. There's a lid. There's the thing. There's this.
So there's the first coat done.
With more enthusiasm!
Hey guys! The first coat is done!
Great. Oh my god, looks amazing! Wow! So we basically could not film the whole part about the clear coat and everything because the battery died and you know we had to get shit done. But not to brag or anything, like I don't usually brag but I do, but like can you please just appreciate this? Look, this is what we fucked up. Had to literally sand the entire thing down. I think Darjan literally spent the last 1 hour just sanding it. But anyways, back to the actual story. Look at this. Oh my god. Tell me I'm not fucking amazing. Whoa. Holy shit. This is literally amazing. Like I'm seriously just not bragging, but okay, seriously? Tell me in the comments below. You have to comment. If you're watching this video, you have to comment and tell me this is fucking amazing. Oh my god. And this is my second time I've actually painted. So, you know, just saying, like, you know, once again. Oh my god. Should be alright. One way to find out, right?
Yum yum.
Small.
Put some Milo in it. Have a drink.
Come on. Alright, we have some unfortunate news. Once again, it did not work out, did it, Darshan? No. Okay, ready? Look at it. It's literally 10 times worse. Holy fuck. See all this cracking? Literally this thing. Oh, I did not see that side. Far out. Yeah, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do another video on Sunday. So Darshan's gonna hit this again, sand it all again.
Oh, this
and
is we can get the...
Yeah, okay, me, I don't know about what you think, but I personally think it's this primer. Because I've used this primer before. A, the color is completely different. B, the finish is completely different. And it does this stupid shit, like, what the fuck?
What primer did you use before?
Edge primer!
No, which...
Same brand, same company, switch pro.
So, what do we...
I don't know what the fuck happened. I'm gonna take that back and be like, this shit's fucked. So yeah, we're gonna go back and we're gonna talk to Super Cheapo to return that primer. Because this is bad. Very bad. Not good enough. But yeah, the bumper turned out pretty well. As you can see. I think I've already shown you before. But
That's pretty nice.
why not just go again? Amazing!
That's really nice.
But yeah, we'll get the car out and clean all this up. And we'll put the bumper on and see what happens, you know? Cool, bye! Real quick story time. So I walk in there And this lady greets me and I say, hey, I need to return this and everything, and she goes, yeah, that's fine, just go and grab the new one and, you know, I'll come fix it up for you. Anyway, I get at the counter waiting, and she's trying to do the thing, and the guy next to her goes out of nowhere, he's like, oh mate, I think you got the wrong one, mate. It's actually, this one actually says it's for, what were you using it on? I told him what car I was using it on. Anyway, and then he goes, yeah mate, this is actually says it's for aluminum and mild steel, you know? And then he goes, what car are we using it on? What the fuck, man? Cars are made out of aluminum or mild steel. You're telling me that shit? What the fuck? This guy literally works at Super Jeep Auto and is telling me that the primer does not work on cars. He's like, he literally straight up says, oh, this is not meant for cars. What the fuck? There's literally a photo of a car on it. Let me show you. Look, they're literally painting a car. And then I fucking looked at the guy, I was like, what? This is meant for cars, I've used it before. And he goes, alright, no worries. Delayed me by another 5 minutes because she had to do the whole thing again. Okay, now we're gonna mix up the primer, right here. And the ratio we're using is 1 part primer, 2 parts...
No, 1.5.
You know, 1.5. 1 to 1.5 ratio. If you understand that, that's good because I definitely don't.
That's not how you say it.
And that was just waxing grease removing it. Alright, we're about to paint if you can hear me. Ready, set, go. Alright, so on this stage, this is when you lose your ears. And now, oh my god, it's coming off. That's it there. See how much better it is? Oh, that shit, Super Jeep Auto sold me the wrong fucking... Oh, okay, they didn't sell me the wrong one, but that shit was just damaged goods. Anyway, that's the paint mixed up. Ooh, wow. And we're gonna paint that on there. Then the clear coat, and then we should be done. Right, Dajan? Let's go.
Yeah.
There we go, that's the end result. As you can see, looks very good, right? It's not.
So that part is
Look
because
at
we
that.
didn't sand it properly.
That's
there.
because of sanding, and then the air compressor, as I explained before, failed out. And see that milky ass fucking line right there? That right there. Ugh.
But otherwise, it doesn't look too bad.
But yeah. Anyways, can you see? Well, let's see, ready? Oh, my eyes. That's not too bad, actually. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you had a good laugh, or whatever you had. Hope it was good. And see you next video. Bye!